Did you know that typing equals Apple in Excel returns true, even though the cases are completely different? In the next 60 seconds, when you compare two text values using the equal sign, Excel treats uppercase and lowercase letters as identical. So passwords, product code. Here we have a list of entered codes in column A and expected codes in column B. Some match exactly and some differ only by case. Click on cell C2 and type equals exact. The exact function takes just two arguments, the first text value and the second text value you want to compare. It checks every single character, including uppercase and lowercase letters, and look at the results. ABC123 versus ABC123 returns true because they are identical, but ABC123, you just learned how to use the exact function to make true case-sensitive comparisons in Excel and stop silent data errors for good.